just a moment. A yellow sky. When I was 17, a hurricane destroyed my town. I didn't drown.
Is it nature or
seem to die,
or a blessing in disguise? Our homes inside, this storm's our final fight. There's no time to die.
I wrote my way out, wrote everything down far as I could see. I wrote my way out. I looked up and the town had its eyes on me.
Head towards the island, but avoid the crashing waves. Tread where the tide is flat, and then you will be safe. Captain, we will capsize with these waves. Our fleet will fail. Have them follow my ship, all ensure that we prevail.
I wrote my way to revolution. I was louder than the crack in the bell. I wrote Eliza love letters until she fell. I wrote about the Constitution and defended it well. And in the face of ignorance and resistance, I wrote financial systems into existence. And when my prayers to God were met with indifference, I
Brace for a storm, the likes of which we've never seen before.
in the eye of a hurricane there is I'll write my way out, write everything down far as I can see. I'll write my way out, overwhelm them with honesty. This is the eye of the hurricane. This is the only way I can protect my legacy.
What do you have in mind?
The Reynolds pen.